Oh, don't mind me. I'm just going to sit here and sleep all through the day. Oh! What is that on the ceiling? Oh my gosh! It is so pretty! Oh, maybe, oh, oh, there it is again! Oh, yeah! Oh, I hope nobody catches me sleeping! I could lose my job for the rest of my career. But I just can't get over how pretty that is on the ceiling. You must look with me. Oh man, I must wake up soon. I cannot sleep so much. Oh, nobody's looking. Wait a minute. Is that Dolly Parton? Oh my gosh!